Hey guys, it's Marichu. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another BTS album unboxing, and I believe it's their last series for their Love Yourself album. So yeah, I'll be unboxing to you guys the Love Yourself Answer albums. I have all four versions, SELF, which is self. Here they are. So I really love the packaging of this one. It's holographic. It's really nice. And I also have four posters, which I'm gonna show you guys first before unboxing to you guys the albums. So this is the first poster, which is S version. This is E version. This is L version. And this is the last poster version, which is F. So if you guys want to see me unbox all four of these versions, then please keep on watching. So this is S version of Love Yourself Answer album. This is what the back looks like. So this is what the photo book looks like, and on the back is the track list. Okay, so they put the CD, so it's got two CDs. One is in the front and the other one I believe is, yep, it's in the back. So this is the audition card. Just gonna put it on the side. Can you guys see it? It's really pretty. Oh my god, I got Jimin photo card. And that is for the S version. Oh my god, I'm just gonna put it on the side. I really like this version because the background that they use is red and it goes really well with the whole concept. It's just really nice. Oh yes! I really love this concept. Yeah, it's very contemporary. It's really nice. It's like abstract, contemporary style. It's really nice. Oh, that's it. That is the photo book, and these are like the following are just the lyrics, I believe. This is the note. That's the note. And this is the album survey. Yep, these are just lyrics of the songs. And this is the sticker that comes with the photo book, the album. So cute! And this is the CD B. Or, you know what, I haven't showed you guys the CD A. It's this one. So this is Love Yourself Answer S version with Jimin photo card. Now on to the next album, which is E version. Ooh, I really love this. They all look so pretty. They look like dolls, to be honest. Oh my god. J-Hope photo card. I got J-Hope photo card. This is what the back looks like. Just gonna put it on the side. Ooh. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. Yes. Oh my god, these. It looks so nice. And sugar. Damn. Yay, J-Hope. I mean, how did they manage to do this kind of photo shoot? Where did they find these bubble thing? Yes, my beige and good. That's it. And as always, these are just the lyrics. And this is the sticker, the Big Hit edition, and the note, and the album survey. So for the E version, I got J-Hope photo card. Moving on to the next album, this is L version. Ooh. So this is like a fun, cutesy type of concept. This is very nice. I like this tear effect. Oh, I like that one. I like that sticker. Oh my god, you guys, I got RM photo card. Oh my god, I haven't like seriously, from all the unboxings that I did, I've never gotten RM Rap Monster photo card. This is really nice. I like this. Just gonna put it on the side. This is really nice. There. Look at Sugar's smile. It's I don't know about it. It looks really awkward. Honestly, I don't know how to feel about Jungkook's new hair color. I was like so used to his black hair, and I don't know. He looks cute, but you know, I still prefer his black hair. And that's it. This is the notes and the survey. So for the L version, I got RM photo card. Now onto our last photo book. This is F version. Oh yes. They look really serious. Jin photo card, you guys. I got Jin photo card. Oh, this is so cute. So I got Jin photo card, and this is what the back looks like. Just gonna put it on the side. Ooh, look at that. That's so nice. What is this? Oh my god! You guys, I got the special photo card. Wow. Oh my god. This is what the back looks like. You guys, this is so nice. Anyways, let me continue. Just put it on the side. Wow. Ooh. that's it. This is the F note and the big hit audition card and the album survey. That's really nice. That's the CD. Okay, so this is the F version, and I got Jin and a special photo card. Oh my god, you guys, I feel really lucky. Anyways, that is all for my Love Yourself Answer albums unboxing. I got Jimin for the S version, J-Hope for the E version, RM for the L version, and Jin for the F version with a special photo card. So yeah, this is the last series for Love Yourself album, and it's been a long journey for me to do the Love Yourself BTS unboxing, but I feel really happy, you know, doing this. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my BTS Love Yourself Answer album unboxing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. Alright.